is Hansen. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Zhang. I'm 40 years old. Uh, I live in Tamil City. My hobby is playing badminton. There are four people in my family. They are my dad, my mom, my sister, and me.
That's good.
My school name is Dongza Secondary School. I'm in grade 8.
That's good. Okay, let's talk about shopping. Okay, do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
Okay, how many ways can you shop?
2 ways.
2 ways.
Uh,
2 ways.
2 ways.
Okay,
Online shopping and offline shopping.
offline.
Offline shopping.
Good. What's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lanchi Supermarket.
That's good. Where is Lunchy?
It's in Tamil City.
Good. How often do you go to Lunchy to shop?
Once a week.
Once a week.
Yes.
Okay, once a week is beautiful. Good. What do you buy from Lunchy?
I usually buy fruit and drink.
Food and drinks. Good. Who can go to Lunchy?
Everybody.
Everybody. Do you like Lunchy?
Yes.
Why?
It's convenient and cheaper.
Okay, the items are cheaper. Good. We have 2 ways of shopping, online and offline. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer online shopping
Why?
because it is cheaper and faster.
Good. Cheaper and faster. Good. What's this?
Hurricane,
This.
thunder,
This.
fresh fire,
This.
hurricane, tornado.
Tomato. That's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Great.